Cheers to Friday! Woo! We decided that we're going to have a little bake-off today instead. Why? In our first video, we taste tested brownies on the beach, and we're going to actually make them here and show you how to make them so you guys can taste them as well.
And you know what? I'm not even into chocolate brownies, but I can tell you, these were really delicious. It's Friday, let's make them for the weekend.
Yes, let's make some brownies. Woo, let's go. First things first, we are going to lay some baking paper on here.
Nice.
Next,
Turn the oven on.
turn the oven on.
180.
Nice.
Empty oven. Always check the oven is empty because nothing like cooking plastic. Coconut sugar. 1 cup.
That's good.
That's it. 1 cup. And some
Almond butter. I think we need to give it a bit of a mix because the oil settled on the top.
Look at that. Flip it. Flip it. Look at our mate. He's not even looking at us today. Excuse me.
Friday.
Excuse me.
Friday. Half a cup of nut butter.
Chuck it in there, into there. This is going to take bloody forever.
This is what makes the brownies perfect brownie texture.
And we throw that in. Woohoo!
A quarter of a cup of applesauce.
1/4 cup of applesauce.
A teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm just gonna, oh, perfect.
Yum.
2 tablespoons of rice malt syrup. Ooh. So we've got the wet ingredients in here. We're gonna give this a mix.
Go and check out our finger head adventure and see us eating the brownies.
True.
Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Give us some feedback because we're new on here and it'd be nice to hear what you think and maybe even if you have a suggestion for us. Ooh, so nice.
Next is a 1/4 cup of almond meal.
Sprinkle it in. Huge fan of these guys because this product is Australian and it's made from Australian ingredients. Love the lotus.
All right, next up. A 1/3 of a cup of cacao powder. The recipe calls for 2 types of chocolate powder. One is raw cacao powder and then the other one is carob powder.
So
1/4 of carob powder.
yeah.
Oh, it's a bit lighter. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, the smell is so different.
How does it smell?
Wow. Oh my god, I'm really sorry to say this, but it literally smells like a cheeseburger.
It does. It smells like a cheeseburger. Have a
Do you
smell.
think so too? Oh, I'm not a fan of cheeseburgers, but this better not taste like a bloody cheeseburger. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
Apparently you're supposed to put like 1/4 teaspoon. I like heaps of salt. Dark chocolate chips. Do you do this? Is that like a mum thing? Got a nice little guy who's pretty much bigger than my head, but still cute. The recipe calls for like 85 grams of chocolate bits. Who said we need 85 grams? What's wrong with 185? Okay, it's too much. My cooking and her cooking style are very different. She likes to do everything by the book.
Oh yeah.
I like to just throw it on in there. Hence why maybe her baking comes out.
Wow. They're really good. Let me look at them.
Smells so good.
Okay, we're gonna melt this. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. We're just gonna mix this up. But you know what's really nice is that they're vegan.
Use the spatula.
Okay.
I'm just gonna.
How good is that?
I'll use a different finger.
You can have one side and I'll have the other side. Trying to mix it all in really well.
Hey,
I'm just chucking.
let's just chuck random stuff in there.
Why not chuck some dark chocolate chips in
Should we
there?
put more in there?
Yeah, go on. Pass it over.
You know, as long as it tastes good.
Just gonna, wow, look at that. Woo. Just don't judge us on our baking skills, okay? Because neither of us are professionals. We should make a disclaimer about that, actually. We've probably done so many things wrong. I might have to put a little bit of water in there just to get that out. That went down the wrong way because I laughed so much. Don't pay any attention to us hopping all over the food, hair down all over the food because we're at home. Yes, this is good.
Got all the scallops out. Wow, look at that shine.
So shiny.
Oh yeah, baby.
Anyone for a brownie?
See you in 20 minutes. Let's check the brownies. Looking good. Oh, they're
If
puffed
only you
up.
guys could smell what we can smell. Yum, and it's so crunchy on the outside.
Oh.
I just love baking paper. How easy does it make? Smell the aroma.
It doesn't smell like a cheeseburger
And
anymore,
it's got
guys.
like that crunchiness on the outside.
Yum!
Do we want to pour chocolate on top of it?
Should we?
Oh, now put melted chocolate on the top.
Alright.
It's gooey. It's good.
Someone's drooling over those brownies.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Hot, gooey, vegan,
Oh my gosh.
choc
Really
brownie.
undercooked.
Oh. Oh. So good.
Sorry. If you like chocolate,
Mm. Mm.
so good.
We'll link the recipe in the comments below once we've cleaned up our faces and our fingers.
The flavor's amazing and it doesn't taste like cheeseburger.
That's true. It's really chocolatey. And I still love the crunchiness on the outside and the goo on the inside. So, well done. Delicious.
Okay, so
Thanks for baking with us.
yes, thank you for watching our video and let us know if you make these as well. Tag us in Instagram.
Oh yeah, tag us on Instagram as well. Follow us on Instagram. Renee and Kerrie. Tag us in your brownies. Thanks for watching.
Yes, thank you for watching, guys.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
We'll see you next week.
See ya.
Cheers. I'm full, I'm gonna be sick.